Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sachin Nachnani. Today I'll be talking about the latest development in derivatives trading, which is a big news if you trade in options. Yes, this is about the new margin framework introduced by SEBI, and it has the potential to multiply your earnings with the help of options hedging. That too without any increase in your capital. So let me show you what are the changes that have happened and how you can benefit from them. For this, let me take you to the Zerodha website first. So here we are on the Zerodha website, and I will show you different examples as to how you can use options to hedge your position and in the process reduce margins sharply. With returns being the same or maybe say slightly lower because of hedging and the margin being much lower, your ROI, that is return on investment, will jump sharply. So let us see with some examples. This is the first example. So let's say you are bullish on Nifty and you decide to buy Nifty futures. So the margin required for Nifty futures for one lot is approximately 1,40,000 rupees. But if you decide to hedge your position, that is, how do you hedge your position? You decide to buy a 10,000 put option, one lot in the same proportion as your futures quantity. How does this help? Your margin requirement drops sharply from around 1,40,000 to just around 22,000 rupees. So the margin benefit to you is over 1,18,000 rupees. Let me just tell you that all the option buying and hedging examples that I'm using over here are the month-end options. So this is how you can save tremendous amount of margin, and in the process your returns, if the direction is right, can also increase substantially. Now let's take another example. Say for example you are bearish on Bank Nifty. What will you do? If you are bearish, you will sell futures. So if you sell futures, the total margin requirement is a little over 97,000 as per Zerodha. But if you decide to hedge your position, hedge by say buying 20,000 call option, one lot, because you have sold one lot of future, your margin requirement drops substantially to just over 8,000 rupees. That is a saving of over 90%. Now imagine how much your returns can improve with just one lot of Bank Nifty future and option for hedging. Let me show you some more examples. So let's say you have a view that Nifty will be range bound but in an upward direction. So what you'd be doing is called as bull call spread option. In this example, you buy a 10,000 call option, again month end only, and you sell a 10,500 call option, both one lot each. Please note that you have to keep the lots in the same proportion. So if you would have done this, the margin requirement would have been in the region of say around 1,02,000 or 1,03,000. But now the margin requirement because of the hedging measure used drops substantially to just around 15,000. Can you believe that? Yes, a sharp drop of over 87,000 rupees. Let me show you some more examples. Now instead of Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's go to stock option. Let's say you have a view of on Infosys, you're bearish on Infosys. So what would you do? By using options, you would buy say 690 option, one lot, and you would sell to hedge, sell one lot of 660 option, put option again. The margin requirement in this strategy, which is also called as bear put strategy, would have been just over 1,50,000 rupees. But under the new SEBI mechanism, the margin drops sharply to around 30,000 rupees. Yes, so that is a drop of over 1/5. So the margin required is only 1/5 of the original margin. That is the margin benefit of over 1,21,000 rupees. Lastly, all the examples which I showed you were just two-legged examples. Let us take a slightly more complicated example. Here, I'll show you what is this strategy wherein we have 4 rounds of options. This is called an iron condor strategy. So in this, you do a short straddle first. So that is, you sell a 10,000 call option and 10,000 put option, one lot each. Now to hedge this strategy, you buy one lot of 10,500 call, and at an equal distance away, you also buy a put option of 9,500. In the earlier framework, the margin requirement would have been around 2,69,000 rupees, but now the margin required is only around 65,000 rupees. So again, a margin benefit of 2,05,000 rupees. What it means is that for the same amount of margin, you can actually have 3 times the position that you would have originally had. So this is how you can actually do multiple option hedging strategies with the same view that you had earlier and substantially improve your margin benefit. So let me conclude this video by showing you the pros and cons of the new margin framework that has been introduced recently. This is applicable, by the way, from 1st of June. So some of the advantages are: the margin required for positional traders in futures and options with hedge is substantially lower. This leads to a much higher ROI. Yes, ROI is return on investment. So if your margin reduces sharply, that is, your denominator comes down and your return remains the same, because the denominator has come down by 3 to 5 times, your ROI can actually go up substantially in that range. And lastly, if you are a positional trader, most traders always have this fear of a big gap up or gap down, and especially in the markets that we have seen recently. With the hedging mechanism, the risk of a big gap up or gap down reduces substantially because you have used options to hedge your position. This, in my view, is the biggest positive, especially if you were an intraday trader and now you want to make the switch to being a positional trader. Few disadvantages. One is, of course, there is no benefit to intraday traders. So if you're an intraday trader and if you're just playing either in options or in futures without any hedging, there is absolutely no margin benefit for you. In fact, if you are playing only in futures and options in a naked position, the margin requirement goes up slightly more because the calculation mechanism has changed from 3 sigma to 6 sigma. So these are the major pros and cons of the new margin system. I hope that you have a very profitable trading journey ahead with the use of this new mechanism. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Do remember to press the bell icon, and you can be in touch with me on various social media forums. Thank you.